guys, today we're making cottage pie or shepherd's pie, perfect for those cold days. Cut up your potatoes, add it to some boiling water with salt and boil till soft. Strain and add your butter, salt and pepper and mash using a potato masher. Add in your milk and mix it through with a spoon and set that aside. Dice an onion and in a pot on high heat add in your butter and oil followed by your onion. Add in your ginger and garlic paste, followed by your chilies if that's what you prefer, and then the mince. Break up the mince using your spoon and add in a little water to help. Cook this on high till the water evaporates and the mince begins to stick. Add in some salt and pepper and mix it well. When you notice it start to brown, add in your vegetables and cook it on low till the vegetables are soft. When all the water is evaporated, add in your flour, give it a mix, and then add in little bits of water till the sauce thickens. Transfer this mixture into your oven-proof dish and top with the mashed potato. Smooth it out, then use a fork just to make it a bit rough on the top and sprinkled on some grated cheese. Place it in an oven at 180 degrees to bake till it's completely golden and crispy on top. And it's ready to serve. Enjoy!